Hello friends and welcome to Infinky Infopedia. Today, we are talking about Apple's recent release of the iPad. Apple has just unveiled the all-new M2 iPad Air and the unexpected M4 chip iPad Pro. This video will cover the latest features, specifications, and pricing of both models, assisting you in choosing between the new Air and the new Pro. Let's dive in. Starting with the latest features of the iPad Air. Initially, we anticipated a fresh camera bump design. Surprisingly, it retains the identical single-camera setup, no iPhone X-style pill shape in sight. We don't have a different display, it's the same display technology. However, what we do get is the impressive new 13-inch size, priced at $800, offering excellent value. Meanwhile, the 11-inch model remains at $600, just like before. Additionally, this version starts with 128GB of storage, doubling the previous iPad Air's base storage of 64GB. We are also excited about the new landscape camera, which enhances zoom, call controls and more. Plus, it's powered by the M2 chip, similar to the one in the previous iPad Pro, making it almost on with the Pro in terms of features and specs. However, it lacks Face ID and promotion technology. Now, let's explore the latest features of the M4 iPad Pro. We have the same 11 and 13-inch sizes, except that these models are super thin, 5.3mm for the 11-inch and 5.1mm for the 13-inch, which is the thinnest Apple product ever. Prepare for an astonishingly bright display, reaching an impressive peak of 1600 nits for HDR content. This level of brightness is truly mind-blowing, almost matching the specifications of the MacBook Pros. On top of that, you'll experience the fluidity of 120Hz promotion technology, ensuring an incredibly smooth user experience. Now, let's dive into the all-new M4 chip. Remember, comparing M4 to M2, this marks a significant difference. We've seen how the M3 chip in the MacBook Air and MacBooks made a notable impact, so anticipate even greater advancements with the M4. The M4 elevates performance with a fresh design utilizing TSMC's N3 E-node, known for its enhanced efficiency. Moreover, it boasts 2 additional efficiency cores compared to the M2 chip, making it a 10-core processor versus the M2's 8 cores. You'll have ample opportunities for AI-driven tasks, especially considering Apple's advancements showcased in the new Final Cut and Logic Pro, harnessing the power of AI and machine learning. They also updated the camera. It is still the same 12-megapixel main camera, but they removed the ultra-wide, which is very interesting. Additionally, storage capacity has been doubled, with the iPad Pro now offering 256GB compared to the previous 128GB. This increase applies to both models, doubling the storage from their predecessors. However, it's worth noting that to equip the iPad Air with the same 256GB storage, you'll need to pay an additional $100. So, for the 11-inch model, this brings the total to $700 compared to $1,000 for the iPad Pro. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.